How does my deductible affect my insurance premium? No matter what type of insurance you have, car, home, business, or other, you want the best policy at the right price. The deductible you choose often affects your insurance premium and can help you save money on your monthly bills. How do you know what deductible amounts to pick when you first get an insurance policy? First, it helps to understand what deductibles and premiums are. A deductible is the amount of money you must pay before your insurance kicks in. It is an out-of-pocket expense you have to pay up front for healthcare, car repairs, property damage, or whatever the insurance covers. The premium is how much you pay to maintain the policy. Higher deductibles mean lower premiums. Therefore, if you want a lower monthly bill, you need to accept a greater responsibility for upfront payments in the event of a claim. Do you have the budget to pay more upfront if your car or home needs repairs? A higher deductible may be right for you. Would you rather pay less out of pocket for an accident, theft, or other issue? Lower your deductible, but expect to pay a higher premium when the insurance bill comes due every month. Either way, talk to your local trusted choice independent insurance agent who can help you decide which is best for you. Be independent. Go independent.